Tifwenida sasifu from so ehone nyame yesese
enenso yemo akwa babiu abadwuma Yesu nkwen so nyame shira o se de biara da unya kwan na wo betina se twede amponyankopon entufo enenso ye bewura tro semu na mjidi yesese de biara na wo twe biara twede amponyankopon ye maye enenso bio obeya ma ye bio atu yefo ansa na bi wura Bible no ye mompai batampai da wase ya tena se ye pe wonu asemati ya semu ani se tu yefo o Yesu Kristo din amen. When people neglect you wa bra obia po wa ya setena ne ya bra bomu no etoda ya na bibi timisi emani panyina ya na wonya atenka bi sa sisi aso obia po me ho tiri mi de aso obia yi nani ama me ya na ye kai ka asem bi kura se wa busua mu no ya na woni skana ni panyina se da mfa no ho sa asikafo na fofo do so chen hiafo wa bra obia po mi bisa so wa setena mu ne woni yem no wa de yomu no wakoti bia bi mu panya unu ni sasa wonafofo apo wadwuma yefo apo wabusua apo nipa nka wa rehemu ewo mu no wapo wana ya setena ne ya brabo mu no wohia etumi ma obi epo ne yonko wohia fita enti obi ka obi bo ne nwem se wohia fita de twede amponyankopon enyim firi no so wohia etumi ma obi epo ne mia wohia etumi ma adamfo bi etumi epo na damfo yade etumi ma wonua bi epo ne nua tibia bi obi komu etumi ma abusua ne adofo okra epo no ene ye wa abusuafo bebre ewo nipa bebre wo hono a wona mabonten so woni aduane ni wo bransa na wodidi mmofra nkuma ne nam streets wona nam baabi a wonhuru baabi a sese wode wa bra bofa na wode wanifa nanso ni nyina mu no se wo ma me no moti ase o papa no moti ase o won ti ase o se wo ti ase o no wo abusuafo bi anka papa ne maame ni wo kora no a enka saafo no nanso tibia bi nti ya po saafo ni saafo frɛ nyina mijidi yese saamo frɛ no papa no maame ni wu no ena wogya wa abosan be yemnum ene sika ho do bank account mu a nka busuani bia be pese obetwe mmofra yi aba won nkyɛn yade yarewo etumi mo obi epo ne yonko emre bi atwa mu ace ba ye no se no obi ha ofie dan wo ofie kura na woti se wanya ace na opekonya to na firi ho yade ace ema dofo bebre epo wa yonkofo yade ebola ema nipa bebre epo na dofo. Currently we are battling with COVID-19 and that COVID-19 abai amani pa bebre apo na dofo o de se wumia bia na wadamfo bi fro se yade manya bio na ya ka kire me se memra isolation center nti me pese me de no beku ho ansa na makwa isolation center wa hwe awo phone no kra beto atwene ansa na nipa na du fie ho mitidi ye se ye nam a ye boy ye bra nyina no yade etumi ema ye mpo ye yonko menyin ni se wadamfo bi a wa recover from COVID-19 kura no se wanya agoduro pa no a wabinu be yon tanta ansa na wabensa nipa no etoda wodofo bi a wote ne ho e wo hospital tibia bi a wo mu ni abrabo bi a wakomu ne sanya wo si bre na etoda wankasa kura wo bre wo sora hemachi e ko hospital no pa bia no wunyanka bi kura nipa no nka wafiri mu etoda wo bi ya ne ni nyan ne tanti no abusua nyina mpese wo be ko ne nkyɛn empempi so obi suman ne ni ye bi etumi man na fofo nyina apo no adamfo bi a wayire no honum wi wayire no honum tramo na mo de ma ne se ke wo se bobbo mo bra yi wuhunu ne se sa adamfo ne nyini pese se wona ne nante wayire ne se ne suban siti a woyɛ ma asɛmu die se wona ne nam e be ka se best of the same feathers wo betimi ade wo ne suban no so ataabi obi minim awofo bebre wo hono wotimi ka se sa brantie we mempese wona ne be nante na wo nso wasua wi no etumi ema obi tumi pu obi abrabo bi ni suban bi obi wo munti etumi ma adofo bi pu wana adofo etumi ma ba time bi kura e dispone ne ma minim ema ya bebre wo hono ma wo suban ni woni ye nti no ya ka sa ba ya we ne wona ne nante na wo yedwamanfo sa brante we de we ye na nante na wo yedwamanfo o minimo bi nso ho no a wo no de ne mi mo nipa no no ankasa ni nipa bo na nso wotimi ye nyiyimu sa brante wo etan baba wa we mu etan obi wo no tinkasa wo mo ye etan no ntime nware obi wo no nso tinkasa brante ne wo ye metan tina da adamfo fakora me mpesa me fa na adamfo kasa fie we bufuo de esebe wani bia se da nya fenti we ye na wa nkwa awade wo ho fie we bufuo de anase nipa ko we de wani bia nya esem kuran enti enkofa adamfo kra wo fie ho sa mama we nyinara etumi ama wo bi etumi pu obi nanso Yesu Kristo ba ye no wanye nipa munyiyemu Jesus Christ or embrace ye nyinara he accepted us all what ye nyina to mu se ne ma eno nti Yesu Kristo adwuma mu no wa bra no waye no wo ye na nyansem ka na wo koba na na hyiafo no di na chie na wo ne wonnam no Jesus Christ wa bra waka wo nyansem bia wie na afi wafa kodo na wati kodo no mu a wo tware nsuo bi no wo kodo no Yesu Kristo Bible say no wada yenkwe Marko muma no etira ye nan ni ntiche mo ye aduasa enum kosi aduanan ba ko Mark chapter 4 verse number 35 and 234 Tieradi aseme. On the same day when evening had come he said to them, let us cross over to the other side. Now when they had left the multitude, they took him along in the boat as he was, and other little boats were also with them. And someone walking in and said, Yes, Christo Akanya and somewhere we are afraid they were catching one say, Yen carrying Suela, young Conso, Yagana, Yakotoya, and Sam Castle. Now was a walk, was not yes, Christo could one hour in a share for the Bimutimunko, and not could walk for Bika. Now, so Nipa was I could need a Bible and Kawas and Bible and Moon, a better me ambassador, share for could one yes, Christo Timuno, never be a in our own community of our could offer Froca. A better me ambassador, 1 hour man Nimpimudi, and I was said, no, I also far could offer Frosse would do what it is. Now, so one hour will come on the hour more, didn't it? Never buy what my Yatias say. Nanny Pep, Nako Wafu Frobi, Ekasa could one of Jesus Christ at Timono. Verse 37. And a great windstorm arose, and the waves beat into the boat, so that it was already filling. But he was in the stern asleep on a pillow, and they awoke him and said to him, Teacher, do you not care that we are perishing? Was see so walk on, and so be shall say, whom be shall say, two, whom be shall say, and so shall say, bamu, as young for no more than a year, near will bet to me be a say, will bet to me the calm storm down. 1 year, 1 young son, who may be the one they were fishermen before accepting the call to follow Jesus Christ. Now we be more on one. Why are far for and send a word here to say when Jesus Christ able to one among and unti said about persuade you man. Now we experience. Yes, Christ level in them. Now when you persuade you man, and I mean, probably the year one say, I was say, yeah, young son, I want to intimidate you more. Now see, we are intimidate you, and we are fair to me at was. 1 year. Went to me and unti was sorry. Echo Jesus Christ in chain. And no catcher and said, until ready, yammy, womb. Yes, until yammy, womb. You remember all my Abra Bomuno, how many kind back, some care, Medicare, and what Jesus Christ. The Wakorasa for a dinner coupon, why did a compile Bomuno, ye did candy a war, dimby, a war at the 2 1 more. Ye young Sammy, I have been say away the 2 1 more. Sukubia, I have been say Apollo, you was outfield way, where the other question 1 year, and 2 more, mother is a 2 1 more. Sometimes when you don't have the skills, you first consult your friends instead of consulting God. So one can say, when you in the air, what is all my friend now for now for one in the other to me about wow. Now so Nanka was a woody kind, a free Jesus Christ, who free Chadian Punyakopon, a woman of wow. Ya pray, Nankosia, a fair, ya shall see a boy, Jesus Christos of war, ya shall see a boy Chadian Nyankopɔn so bo. Verse 39. Then he arose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, Peace, be still. And the wind ceased, and there was a great calm. Yesu Kristo sorry ya no say epu yedin, peace be still. Ewa na epu na yedin. Verse 40. But he said to them, Why are you so fearful? Why is it that you have no faith? I didn't tell them who force. I didn't tell them who need verse 41. And they feared exceedingly and said to one another, Who can this be, that even the wind and the sea obey him? As she for me, what did Jesus Christ announced for so many years? Jesus Christ, I am what you might be. Answer one better than I could do. Nani pam pimpima come the one Jesus Christ or more be nebi. Akata 4 and 1 fee. When I was sorry, what can you so much ready palm or water? Now, so then you went to me and wash your phone. Because he said, Jesus Christ, sorry, no man and Sasson or Cass a Puyedin and Sarah Wakas are nipa baby. And oh, Timmy Akasa and my was rotting a. Who is this man? Nipa baby. And I was rotting creating and once a week. Who say? As a for Jesus Christ, I need one and more. No, ya Jim Quan. So I don't want to know or bet you. Till ye Yamena, yes, some no. And Pimpy, one yam to say Yamen. So we now had us one friend, or bet Jama one that's what to one when I saw Freddy and Tempara will bet you. It won't say Bible say. Na Yesu Kristo ada. Na so me dia me tumi wuru se Yesu Kristo na wada mpa na wanim nia ekoso e wo kono so na hyiafo ni nyam be frɛ no wa mfa no ho amagye won no mamu amisa won se dia na ekro ade na mo tiatiam sa ade na mo bresa Yesu Kristo Bible se no wada wo sumia so e wo koduo no he was asleep, deeply asleep. Asiafo ne prayer wo into me nyane o ne sese wo ye bia wo ya fe ampa nkosia gano wo ba ebe ni Yesu Kristo bi na menim se wo ba no wo be gas e ya je nkwa wo ne pa achew Yesu we ne die mu wo ba nti Yesu ye memu nti hunhui atoda ye mu bre sa na ye kan ye jama ha no jinsamu bia na afa de ye pese da ne ye ko Yesu Kristo ne ye ko bo no so bo se nti awrade ye bre hunhui me mai jinsamu hunhui misuku agye nsɛm ehunhui awurade nti sikasɛm agye nsɛm ehunhui ma wade baabi aduru awurade nti hunhui abrabo baabi amaduru awurade nti hunhui ye bonyame so wo saa no ma wo nyina hono no ma hodo bebre ho na so ahyase ne ya mfre nyame ka wo sɛ wa mfre nyame a wo nya ho hyehyɛ nyame. But if you call him, he will attend to you. So wo frɛ no a wo nkasa wo no so ede ne ho bebem sɛ me no ye ti ase sɛ nyame na yesom no no we twe dia mpo Nyankopɔn ne tumi so a abribia e bekɔ akodwana to an na suafo na adwene ne sɛ Yesu Kristo ayi wona ma. They thought Jesus Christ had neglected them. Abraham waye den no papa ipa na no aye ne beya wasa amanfo yade ye ne beya mo adwuma hodo awaye na de ntina ye nko ade to ye wo kodu yesu wahye da yi na nya kwa akoda yi na wadin ne se Yesu Kristo yi wona ma. Yesu Kristo mfa won ho bi na so na Yesu Kristo pese wo te ase se e wo se wo frɛ no na wotu ana mo ema wo awrade nti ye memi wunhuni etoda ye bisanse ma hodo bebre na se metode mu bebre bisa ne se why me awrade adenti na me na ha wo ya to me adenti na brabo we me na me komu why me I was say enti Bible say ne besi bia ne yemfa seda emma twedi ampo Nyankopɔn abrantie bia wo ware one de yira ko fie paye wedding kama okɔ fie after 1 week oba ne so wo kɔ kroma kwa akɔtɔ no ma bia ba said them less than 30 minutes no be be friend say careless driver with the car e pia fa e so one sorry Abrante na sema bo bi say nyame ni say why me Everybody didn't na me na we ato me Today I want to say we be say everybody why me Yan so me be say everybody why me Yeah, Mr. said, why is it that those who don't believe in God are prospering? When I want your meaning, ya one ye, was he can never, ya no ready a Jewudi, ya cross on them, ya bro, ya Bob Brown, what is so when yam. Now, so ya, when he a fita, they queer a running out day. I told a nipper to me, I said, a one casa be a Bobby and Abba swore. Ye be say rather than Wama Kwama Saloma when you see. A rather than Abrante, what me a sify, and in the Sabra was won't mean sify. Oh, Abrante will kick an announcement bicycle cramming. Poor senior son a yahunya, Nasoma when he saw Yawa, or the four a yahunya. Wabra Yesu Christo sorry. What Siam Cassatra Poisson, near Poisson, a dean, Poisson, Jesus Christ, name. And what is a what Jesus Christ in there? I want to encourage you today, say, so we free Jesus Christ no sorry about Brabumua. What do you know, Cassachenua? A be ye. A town for a water tower, what Siawana, over Brown of Mossy. We'll seek a seminar woman baby, I won't fan. So for Jesus Christ, my Jesus Christ, Bessoracas, any comb, any dean, or of war, come here, any dean here, ever. Jesus Christ, Cassatra for Noah. Yes, Christo, how would be a cost of was son, how would be a cost of our bravo, how would be a woman, so many years of Christo pine. Nothing. Obamua. We bet me a woman in a come. Amma, no. I didn't tell a young fire whom my trade young from Uncle Pom. Young fire bravo. Ni adi nyina master for the Jesus Christ. Wa bra Yesu Kristo ni nasuafo. Wo to aso na wo kro. Wo si nsuo na gya na wo hunu abrante bia. Ofinsia wo no bebre. Fi ati ne mu. Na abrante no Yesu Kristo ado hunu ne se Say nipa we nipa soronko. Nipa bi se dia mi se da hunu bi da na mi hunu ne se mi ni se da ni twaka bia. Bible my tears say na fi ba was a sab what you twetwa no ho na moja pram no ansa na ne ho aton na na busia pono wo maame wo papa na so ne tibia no ntino nipa gina pono ma na kwakotena pono nsuo na gya baabi a wo no nko na te wo na fi se ne mu Yesu Kristo sia no na obi sa no asem bi e wo Marko ngoma na etire ye no ntichemu a eyankron Mark chapter 5 verse number 9. Then he asked him, Jesus Christ asem na okay. What is your name? What is that abrante wouldn't pa the same. Asem bisa ya na etai bisa nipa the first time you see no. Na ka Jesus betima bisa anse bu free mfa. Jesus betima bisa de so ma me din de so papa din de same. Now so asem odi kan bisa de say, what is your name? Was say what was and he answered saying, my name is Legend, for we are many. Was say ye bebre sanse ye doso abrantia no say how be one so na was say man Jesus Christo e kana sem e kire no abrantia de say we are many. Legend say ye kan legend e wa panda da mu a na ejina ho man soldier for ma 3000 a won hu adin pa yi ayo kwa akro na so Jesus Christo penso wa pamfo from no. When we are talking about legend, a drama, Nedina Homer soldier from Pimusia 6,000. I will to be the one back, and Untia Sicilian say, while Yesu Christo now Brantia no Edina wedding, Comono. Now a casa may be a baby. Now, Nidine a domino, legend no. Now Sicilian say, it could be so home woman they have Branton was around 6,000. Some say. Bible uniform my etias as a legend, na nya branch and anka se dina ne mamle to no. Na so go dia na ha no. Ti Yesu Kristo was a branch and yadi. And it is say, "Awon fear na sha branch no no. Wo pa Yesu Kristo a chaw ka kire say, Ewurade enseye." Na bi say, Yesu Kristo nso etie wo nsu frɛ a, wan say ahom bone no. Say Yesu Christo etimi tia hombone sufre na se wanse wona wo adenti na wo ha wo adenti na wo tete sa wo fi kura no Yesu Christo tie wo bisade a wo bo se ne suban so ne se so no beti wa ma so. When people neglect you, Jesus Christ is there for you. Wa bra ni panyina po wo no mpese mi show nkran se Yesu Christo wo ho ma. Yesu Christo wo mpo da ba bia akone na makwakofa bia na safurade Yankopon se bra mi nchen mo amoso mo ne so abre mo bra mi nchen na mema mo ahome. Jesus Christ wants to give us rest. Opese yanhome, opese wo tie, opese wo sesa ya brabo, nipa po, nipa mfa wo nyahwe. Na pese o tie asese nipa entumi nka ankyere wo hyebre se ne sese efa. Nipa entumi nyam wo ankyere wo se ne sese wa brabo sifa. Asafurade Yankopon ko an ne wotumi se, wo betumi asesa wa brabo. Some of us wo poye. Ye mu bebre o mo na nipa adwene ne se yem tumi nuru pempenso ayabri. Now so na ni gisem ne se you bebre ono mo a ya brabo is something special to write home about. Ya brabo ne ya dia wo betim kura dia atu afofrofo. I quite remember. Me papa free mu. Me ma me no nya adwuma wo hia fita. Etoda wo ne di na wa ku school. Mi school atade tu nyina atete. I was given a boys prefect. Because of school atade ntime se menye. And the teacher for us said, wait all without the uniform, you will do it. I quite remember, Penny Biana Mibunupa, Emma, my one, and said, I don't want to see you with this guy anymore. Me person me want to sabrante with you because we say he has no future. And I about the number one that to be and so someone who born. Now so let me catch her again when you said what that is sent a chance. When people neglect you, Jesus Christ is always there for you. Se nipa nyina powa nyanda agina fa wo to Yesu Kristo so bompaye bo wabra wo yie wusu no wo ban no ye no ma yie se wasum nyame for so many years na wo huru nyame ni monyam wo wabra bo mu and I'm pleading with you, go back to the drawing board and make changes ko na ko yesesa wo wabra bo mu san se Yesu de wa ye krado me ni wonti e na obewu ye wo se obi biara obegye no adie no wo mu na obenya dankwa enema sem nie menum nie Madisire nie se fa ho to asafurade Yankopon so san se so bia po a nyame won po da wokunu se won pe obi ma nyame da so pe o papa se wa po a nyame won po o ma me se ne ba do obi ma awade se me nka nkire se adesidie ho nhyehyɛ no wode ama se won so wo ye nyame ba. He has given us that right. So yanso we should have the surname and the DNA of Jesus Christ. Nyajide wo twedi ampo Nyankopon mu na se obi a ho mfia hye ne ma na ote ba bi mfinhia ho pi Yesu Kristo etumi hia ni yi ne ho mfinfiri ne mu ene gisem se ho mfin ne sere awurade se yesro nsa ye ye nkogu mprako mu Yesu Kristo ti a ho mfin ni sufre eyi ho nkogu mprako mu eno ti wo wa bro bi apo wo. I want to encourage you today, say Yesu Kristo wampo awurade nhira wonte na ne mu nhira wonye okese wona do munti. Amen. I want to pray with you. What have you won be ano? Simtrasi. Na fa gidie edi mpan ko yachi. Nyame batampa wo mabebere wo no ma wo mabu. How ne man hunu bia wo namu no. Wa dwene se nipa nyina apo. Anwumre waka aka ya se yenkran se nipa nyina apo ye na wo asafo ni Nyankopon wo mpo ye. Se sa na tie dia Yehowa yesro se ne hye mo mankran. Hye mo maidi. How be a woman be an my papa yesro se ma won saso wo so maye. And then you bring me ko da odi da won ko se. Anadwumu nsem anadwumu wuo yesro se e ma bi ntu me de birada. Wa de pa enche wo man nyina wo Yesu Kristo di mu. Amen.
My Kate's Provision Store, ama wakwenya wode benya emo anwa tin tomato type a wohwehwe bia esichire biscuits ahoro ni nyina soft drinks free Fanta egosi ni Coke de milk de Milo de Semina washing powder a wobenya na bofom a wonya ne babia age My Kate Provision Store. My Kate ba ko bi na wo pa ko no aduana ma busia no anase wutu na de kogu store na waton anyamfaso de a bomodin bra waso ye wona ye adwuma wo ne mu tie pa e wo abotre My Kate Provision Store e wo Brekum opposite main lorry station babia car no fa no Airtel House down kwa and my Kate Provision Store ewo dear kwantufue otono ho station no any one hour chrono de ya frefre no pomodin so be fro kwanchefo no 0244 444491 my Kate Provision Store osinyon kudo waji so bi akoye eno no
Jerusalem
Valley Life Mineral Water. And no one is Samenom is answer 100% natural. Oh yes, 100% natural. Na Samenoma mapomende kon kayo ba kubi abatoni ye yisika kakra e de boa adra Ghana foto no. Ye main distributor e Desolate Old Ventures. Sunyane ya omaso kwan no so ye ne market entrance ne de nim repair. For no 0544 22 9000 and as 020 6368 316 and off 020 82 36868. Valley Life Mineral Water. Drink to touch a lot.
Rocket Beats mixes.
sa wo pa danse hu niema ye papa na ne bo san fo pa dia pomodin se wo be koma me P hardware cement iron rods paint you roofing sheet type bia ope bia enadoa inches type bia ohwe bia plywood na danse hu niema bia ope bia dia pomodin ko ma me P hardware wo brekum ma me P hardware e wa mangwase ye ne master house ne die nimhwe e wa mangwase toilet ne ho a e ya frefre a pomodin so be frɛ won 0241691611 ma me P hardware was a come and enjoy our quality services. Akoto omudan we yanim tintin so iso ohu ya no se ohu krache ni fie yese papa no block dodo cement nsuo de ye nyina ohu pepesigu ho odim ni nyina no nyiso ye krache ni ntia wo wona esi dan ne di no kresi ni yiu me ni owura ne di nkomo na maame apobi wo chemisa Eben Construction Works and esi ni dan no Eben se bomodern na che no site uwi afadan plan ka ho beji estimate log laying de construction of manhole say your plaster dan ne de woni problem woni how kra Eben emfa kwadro na ye na djuma wono so a wonfa djuma ntumrika pi enam ne papenti Eben Construction Works say quality is our hallmark pomodin so be friend wo number say didi so iso 02074777756.